Hey guys, it's me, Facecam here, and welcome to the Wolf Among Us with your favorite to gaming Facecam here. Today we're doing a special Facecam video. I'm testing it out this first episode, which is really exciting. Let me guys what you guys think of this. I am actually using my phone for this through Skype, and during the first episode of the Wolf Among Us. I'm gonna let you guys listen to this. The main character, I'm gonna give you a little story right before this starts. The main character is Bigby Wolf. He's the sheriff of Fabletown, which is a group of different fairy tale characters, which we'll meet during the video. So we're going to go ahead and start this episode. This game adapts to the choices you make. The story is told by your game. This is by the Walking Dead creators too. So I'm gonna read this to you. Once upon a time in New York City, there lived a community of Fabletown characters known as Fabletown. The Fables who lived there arrived hundreds of years ago after they were exiled from the homelands. Though the use of a magic spell called Glamour, they had protected their secret community from the mundane world. Sheriff Bigby Wolf protects them from each other. And mundane means regular humans. Basically, that's what that means. I didn't know that until recently. Telltale Games presents.
Record for the date, hottest ever in June. 103 now, and that humidity looks low, but remember, the hotter the air is, the more moisture it can hold. So 103 with 31% humidity is a lot more humid than, say, 73 with 31% humidity. And it is muggy out there.
Okay, there's Bigby. He's the one in the back. Hi, Bigby. How are you? So, if you haven't noticed, I've been talking through my phone and Wolf Among Us, but this microphone is broken, so I have to do this. Really annoying. So yeah. Okay. We have to deal with something. Okay. Tenement building, South Bronx, sometime after midnight. Oh, there's Toad.
Mr. Toad? Oh, shit. Bigby! Listen, mate, I know I don't look human. It's a problem, I get it. I just stepped out the apartment for just a second to see what kind of damage this drunk shit is doing. Just cut me a break, yeah? I'll get me glamour first thing in the morning. Cross my heart. No need to kick up a fuss. I've heard enough of your excuses, Toad. This is unacceptable. If you can't afford to look human, you're going to the farm. It's as simple as that. You can't send me up to live with those animals.
You are an animal, though. Well, we are
You know
too,
what
so
I
I
mean?
say.
Go see a witch. Get a glamour. Bigby, they're bleeding me dry, mate. The quality of the spell goes down, but the rates keep climbing up. Do you have any idea how much it costs to have an entire family in glamour?
Let's say.
I don't make the rules.
Okay.
Sorry.
I wish I could help, Toad.
I can't give you a free pass on this, Toad. My hands are tied. Right. There's too much at stake. Whatever it costs, it's worth it. You don't want me catching you out of glamour again.
Crud.
Fucking hell! See? This is what I told you about, Sheriff. You're just gonna stand there? Do something, Bigby, before he completely tears up the place. I should probably go handle this. Yes, please. Thank you.
By the way, The Walking Dead is still going on.
Furry prick-up shite. Tell me how to spend my money.
Dad, the lights are shaking again.
What did I say? You want a big bad wolf to take you away?
No.
Then get the fuck back inside!
Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Toad, don't be mean to children. No. Not a good idea. Okay, what the crap is going on? Okay, so...
know who I fucking am, you hear me?
There's like a phone line right here.
Look at me.
Okay, pick that up. Okay. What's this? It's a matchbox.
Take a look. Take a good look. Know who I am now?
Open the door.
Look at me.
Goodness gracious.
God damn you!
Hey!
Whoa, hey!
Don't touch
You
girls.
got something on your face.
Fuck are you talking about, you stupid? I'll fucking kill you!
All right, what's going on?
Oh god. Here we go again. This is the hard part.
What are you gonna fucking do, huh? Get the fuck out of the way before you get the axe again.
This is the woodsman, by the way.
Woody, this is your last warning. If you keep on like this, I won't have any choice but to put you down.
Put me down? You got a shit fucking memory, Wolf. That's not how it went last time.
This isn't last time.
Ooh. They're gonna mess it up. Crap.
That boy's gonna watch me kill you. And it'll be...
God.
Back off, asshole.
Holy crap.
Had enough?
God.
At least make this a fucking challenge.
Oh god. Oh my god. That's what you get. You're being a jerk, little woodsman. Oh god. Here he comes. Kill. Beat you up with your own axe. Oh my gosh.
You should probably get out of here.
Look, I'm not leaving until I get what's mine.
You're not getting shit, bitch. I'll fucking put you on the ground.
Say that word one more time.
What? Bitch?
What did I say?
Fucking shit. You broke my jaw, you bastard.
And still you talk.
Fuck you.
Shit.
What the hell is going on? What happened?
A little misunderstanding that turned into a real shit show. Don't worry, you saw the best bits.
There's more where that came from, girly.
Knock it off.
Look, this is just the start of a shitty night for me. I just need the money he owes me, then I can go.
Are you all right?
I'm hunky-dory. Thanks for asking.
What's your name?
Whatever you'd like it to be, handsome.
Oh my gosh.
Don't make this more difficult than it has to be.
Sorry, Sheriff. Wouldn't want to add any difficulty to your night.
Why was he hitting you?
He asked me if I recognized him, knew who he was. I said I didn't. He started beating on me. Then you showed up, started beating on him. That about cover it, hun?
I'm the woodsman, you whore.
Shut up.
I saved Little Red Riding Hood from this
Oh my gosh.
monster. I cut this fucker open and filled his belly full of stones and threw him in the fucking river. That's who the fuck I am, you stupid bitch.
Would you excuse me for a moment?
By all means.
Come on.
Oh my gosh. god. Are you okay, Bigby?
Shit.
Oh god.
Hey, Toad. My car. Yeah.
Oh, poor Toad.
Give me a second. Oh, no, by all means. Take your time. Make yourself comfortable. Sorry about the car. We ended up going out the window. Couldn't be avoided. I can't be mad at you. I called you, and you come to help. I can't be mad. But even when you help, things end up more fucked than they started.
Oh god, here he
At
comes.
least you're not fucking dead.
Oh my god.
Fucking around. I know you're fucking in there. Come on out, you fucking dog.
Come on.
I'll put you out of your misery. You fucking mongrel. You ignorant fuck.
How did it need so much work?
Come on out, Wolf.
Oh, here we go. Oh. Oh my god. Holy crap. Okay, just one, don't mind me.
Thanks.
Don't mention it. I'm just getting what he owes me. You all right back there? I mean, your eyes and the teeth? You're not really supposed to do that, are you?
Not if I can avoid it.
Goodness.
Great.
The guy's got an axe in his brain. He's not feeling that.
It's more from me. He'll be fine.
Oh crap.
Kill you, you fucking bitch.
Let me help you.
He's had enough.
He's a fable. Son of a bitch can take plenty.
Sorry, I'm putting myself on not disturb so I don't get notifications. It's annoying when that happens. Here in 12 minutes.
Just come on.
Here.
Thanks.
Who do you work for, really?
These lips are sealed.
Sorry.
I knew it. I've played this game so many times, so I'm used to this.
Hey, you like my ribbon?
Beautiful.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna spoil it, so I'm not gonna say anything.
I feel like we've met before.
We probably have. We all sort of knew each other at one point or another. But things change, I guess.
I guess.
Crud.
Shit.
Stop. We don't have to make any more of a thing out of it than it already is.
It's not just about you. I can't have him running around the city in the state he's in.
Good, because I was just starting to worry it was all about me.
That's not what I mean.
Oh.
How much was it he owed you?
100.
I'm guessing it'd be bad for you to show up empty-handed.
I'll be fine.
Let's see, I've got, it's 20, 47, 8, 58. It's all I got. It'll help, right? Take it.
It's okay. I'll be fine. You've done enough, really.
Just take the money, okay?
You got me out of a bad situation back there. Thanks.
I'm still gonna need a statement.
I have to go drop off what I have.
Yeah, the
You
stupid
get back
chair.
in my office then.
It's a little late for an office visit, Sheriff. I'll swing by your apartment.
How do you know where I...
You live in the smallest apartment in the Woodlands. Everyone knows that.
Oh, good to know.
Good to know.
Get cleaned up. You look like shit. And I don't use that term lightly. Some of these look pretty bad.
I clean up okay.
I'll believe it when I see it. Hey. I need to tell you something.
What is it?
You're not as bad as everyone says you are.
Ooh. Oh my
I'll
gosh,
see you
Bigby.
around, Wolf.
Oh my gosh, Bigby. This is probably about the third time I played this game, so I know how it works. So, yeah. I originally wasn't gonna upload this today, but I decided, oh, let's bring it up. I told you guys I'll bring it up, so I would. Okay. I'm about to edit this after this. Okay, here's the intro. I'm quiet. The Wolf Among Us. This is a never episode, so yeah. Episode 1. Faith. Okay, I'm gonna walk over here. This is his apartment building.
Luxury apartments. Wish they wouldn't advertise that.
Okay, I'll walk in.
Some can sometimes be a disciplinarian.
What the? Oh, hello. It's a girl.
Come on out.
All right, all right.
Hello there,
Beauty.
Beauty. Oh,
Hello,
Beauty and the
Bigby.
Beast. Okay. Stop the grass. Step.
I
No.
wasn't expecting anyone. I know this looks a little odd, but there's an explanation.
So, where are you off to?
Well, I went for a walk. I don't see what's wrong with that.
Didn't say there was.
It's not a big deal. Just, you know, out. For a walk.
Oh,
That's all.
I'm on 20%. That's what that was. Oh crap, I have to get this.
Please, Bigby. Promise me you won't tell Beast you saw me. He worries too much as it is, and...
Sure.
You promise?
Can't find my charger. I'm not
Thank you,
cutting
Bigby.
up for this recording.
I'll explain it
So we're
all
gonna have
to
to
you
end this
later.
soon.
I will, but I have to go.
Okay, beauty.
Thank you
Wonder what you're
for
doing.
trusting me. Really, I appreciate it, Bigby.
Alright, we made a new friend. Probably gonna end in a minute, so. Mainly because of, yeah, you understand. I told you a minute ago. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to press the like button. I'll see you guys in the next episode of The Wolf Among Us. If you want more, press the like button. Go subscribe to my channel. And I'll talk to you guys in the next episode. And I thank you all for watching. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.